Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Notion's content calendar template for social media management. Whether you're running multiple accounts, growing your brand, or just want to keep your posting schedule in order, you'll leave this video with a professional-looking calendar and the confidence to edit it however you need. Let's jump right in. For this demonstration, we're focusing on Notion's own content calendar template. Templates in Notion are terrific time savers. They offer a polished starting point, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel each time you plan your content. Even better, they're designed to look neat and professional right out of the box, meaning your workspace even feels inspiring. First, go ahead and open up your Notion workspace. At the top left corner, right next to your workspace name, you'll notice a little drop-down arrow. Click that. This opens up more options. It may take a moment to spot if you're new to Notion, but once you do, you'll see a list that'll eventually get you to Browse Templates. You're looking for the Browse Templates option. Select that and Notion will bring up a whole library of templates for you. Now, in the search bar, type in Content Calendar. You'll see different versions pop up like Content Calendar Database or other styles. Take some time to look through them. Feel free to preview each to see which one fits your workflow best. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming. Just focus on the interface that feels smooth and customizable for your needs. Once you settle on a template you like, go ahead and click Add. Instantly, Notion will create a page based on that template. Now you've got a sturdy foundation, but this is where we make it your own. Start by adding your credentials, for instance, the account names of platforms you manage or hashtags you routinely use. This helps you keep everything tied to the right brand and audience. You'll notice dedicated spaces in the template for content ideas, planned posts, and scheduling. Don't rush this step. It lays out all your upcoming posts in a visual, drag-and-drop format. The next thing you want to do is add your creatives. Think of this as attaching images, drafts, video links, or even rough post ideas into each calendar item. It's incredibly useful, especially when coordinating with a team or tracking which assets are ready to go. If you're flying solo as a social media manager, it's like assembling all your ingredients before you start cooking. A lot less stress down the road. Customization is where the template truly shines. You can change colors, add icons, tweak the structure, or even reorganize columns to suit your workflow. Maybe you want to add sections for analytics, engagement checks, or even reminders to double-check captions before posting. The point is, make it feel comfortable, which helps make your workflow more efficient in real life. And just like that, you're ready to use your Notion content calendar to manage social posts more quickly and professionally. Don't worry if you need to tweak things later. These templates are all about flexibility. As you work and grow, you'll find small ways to make it even more tailored to your style. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about Notion templates or social media workflows. I check every comment and love hearing your ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, actionable tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.